Preparation before installation: a knife, level, pencil, drywall saw, and a drill. First, use a level to verify that the top of the faceplate is aligned with the horizontal line. Next, create straight lines along the 4 sides of the faceplate. Now, force the saw through the drywall and cut along the outside edge of the marked lines. Remove this section from the wall. Snap the back box used with the faceplate into the cutout area. Remove the plate on the back of the back box for threading cables. Reach in behind the wall and retrieve the cable designated for the faceplate. Insert as many network inline couplers as you need in the faceplate. Connect the cable to the connector. Insert the faceplate into the drywall. Tighten the screws to finish the installation. Connect the device's network cable after the installation is complete. It blends elegantly into your home or office decor, providing a professional appearance while keeping the wiring organized.